Today, we see Powell Max surging over 40% pre market after a controlling shareholder shifted indirect control of the company. We turned on long mode after the price found support at 250. The stock chopped between 290 and $3 while the algo took small starter positions on dips and breakouts. We're not adding real size yet. The algo is waiting for a decisive move in either direction before committing to a full position. As price breaks below 280, the algo triggers a strategic double down. Once price moves back above our cost basis, the position de-risks automatically. Our cost basis effectively is lowered by 10 cents. As price starts to retest $3, the algo scales back in, but is forced to de-risk again as the breakout fails to hold and price starts chopping. This is the reality of trading a volatile, low float stock on a big pre market move. The range is there, the volatility is there, but clean breakouts are not always easy to come by. The algorithm does not chase, it just keeps resetting, lowering the cost basis, and waiting for the real move. Another strategic double down is triggered as price breaks back under 280. The algo sets limit orders at 272, which fill and de-risk above our newly reduced cost basis of 276 with 5,800 shares. Every double down is calculated, not emotional. The algorithm is systematically grinding the cost basis lower. The algo scales back in at 287 and 293, positioning for maximum profit above $3. When price finally surges past 3, the algo sells the full position for over 2,900 in profit across a 30-minute trade. This is range trading done right. The algorithm worked every swing, scaled in, and de-risked repeatedly to constantly lower our cost basis. And when the real breakout finally came, we were loaded up and ready to take full profit on the retest of the highs. Win or lose, I post every trade. Link below to see how the software works. Subscribe for daily recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.